Alright, welcome back to the channel Smart Hustle YT, guys. It has really been quite some time, so how are you guys doing? Somebody reached out to me on Telegram and was demanding I teach you guys about Telegram monetization and other things. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make money on Telegram. Just the way you open up a YouTube channel and begin to put up some content in it. When you cross 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, YouTube starts paying you in dollars. Even on Facebook, when you cross some particular threshold, Facebook starts paying you. The same way Telegram has started to pay you guys. And in this video, I am not going to be rushing because I am going to be calming down to be explaining to you guys what is needed to get this done. Alright, and without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Now, the first requirement is either having a Telegram group or Telegram channel. Even the first and foremost is for you to have your smartphone or your computer. But I know a lot of people don't have their computers, so that's why I am doing this on a smartphone. So let me say that the first thing you need here is a smartphone. Then secondly, what you need is a Telegram account. To get a Telegram account, just go to Play Store and type in Telegram. You are going to see the app. You just download it if you don't have it before. Alright, so I won't be diving much into that in this video because everyone can do that. Just go to Play Store, type in Telegram, and it brings out the Telegram app. From there you can download it, you register, and the rest of that. In YouTube, you need a Facebook channel, isn't it? Right. In Facebook, you need a Facebook page, isn't it? Right. In Telegram, you need a Telegram channel or a Telegram group. Alright, so how you are going to create it is very simple. Your Telegram might not look like this, it might not be dark like this. I set it this way, okay? It's still the same thing. What you see down here is what you see in another Telegram account. So look at this place you have that looks like a pen. That is where you click. Now, you either create a new group or you create a new channel. But mind you that whatever you are creating, don't ever make it private. It must be a public group or a public channel. In a Telegram monetization, they don't monetize a private group or a private channel. It must be public. First of all, let me create the channel. Then you click on new channel. You can give your channel a name. Let's say test, right? So that is it. And you can put anything in the description. Let's say test for Telegram monetization. Telegram monetization. You see that? Then you click on this, and here it's gonna bring public or private channel. Do not click on private channel, click on public channel. Then give any name to your channel. Like this place you have link, you can just say test. Alright, username taken, I can say test 001, something like this, 001, something like this, or I say test for YouTube video. I'm just using this to teach you guys. Test for YouTube. Okay, so with this link you are seeing here, you can access this group. Once you just put t.me/test for YouTube on Telegram, or you put it anywhere and tap on it, it is going to lead you to this group. Okay, so when I click on mark, from here I can just click on any person, because in creating a group or channel you must add minimum of one person to that group or that channel. So after selecting it, I'll just click on this arrow. Okay, so that's all. Our channel is created. Here I created a channel. A channel has subscribers and a group has members. So here I can tap on this. Then this pen we are seeing here, I can tap on it. Then from here I can tap on set photo to select any photo of my choice. I can even change the name from here, that is if I want. So that is it. Now guys, this is a new group. As you can see the description, test for Telegram monetization, and look at the link you can use to join it. When you create a channel or a group, it will have either 2 members or 2 subscribers, you and the person you added. Now for you to monetize any Telegram group or channel, it must have at least 1,000 members or 1,000 subscribers. In fact, where I will tell you that I am very sure you can monetize is Telegram channel, guys. Yes, that is where I am very sure you can monetize, Telegram channel. And for you to reach this threshold on the channel, you must get at least 1,000 subscribers. In the last part of this video, I will still tell you how to get it. Now, we are going to check whether the monetization attributes or monetization features have appeared in this channel. If it haven't, I will use my general channel to teach you guys. All right. Sometimes it appears on your channel. I'll be waiting for you to get the 1,000 subscribers so that they start reading. And sometimes it doesn't appear. Now, to locate it, just tap on this place you have text, tap on it. Then on this pen, you can either tap on pen or you tap on channel settings. So I tap on this channel settings. Under this channel settings, I will then tap on statistics. So under statistics, as you can see, we are not seeing anything here. This simply means that I am not yet eligible for monetization. If I am eligible for monetization, you'll be seeing a lot of things down below the screen, which I am going to show you in a short while. Some people might ask me, how do you get these 1,000 subscribers? You can either run a Telegram ad, which is the video that will be coming up after this particular video. All right, but this Telegram ad is not everybody that is eligible to run it, because it have a specific money threshold that is required for you to use and run it. Okay, then you can contact anyone you know to get you 1,000 subscribers, and again, you can still contact me, guys. So if you contact me, I will give you 1,000 subscribers plus about 1,100 subscribers within 24 hours. And that is organic people, the people that are concerned in what you're doing. You will tell me what you're going to be posting on that particular channel. So I will now get at least 1,100 persons, organic people that are concerned in what you're doing within 24 hours so that you monetize your channel immediately. The link to my contacting is in the description box. And guys, you have to know that this comes with a fee, and the fee I am gonna be telling you when you contact me. I used to do it for orders and still charge them 150k. Some I charge them 100k as the case may be. But just like I told you, I'm not gonna be charging you that. I'm just going to be a little bit below the 50k. All right, so that it is pocket friendly for everyone. That is it. Now let's go to my own channel. Let me now show you guys how a monetized channel is. So that is it, guys. Now this is our Smart Hustle YT broadcast channel. This channel was a private channel before. If you don't have the link, you don't access the channel. But immediately I heard about this Telegram monetization. You know, now I ran and changed it to a public group because I have already have 2,500 subscribers already. So I am very, very much qualified for it. And immediately I set it up, it started running. So that is it, guys. Now let's do the same thing we did on the other channel. Let's click on here, then click on channel settings. Then under channel settings, we click on statistics. All right, now look at how a channel that has reached monetization threshold looks like. So you look at these, guys, just look at what is showing me. You take a look at the growth and the rest of that. But this is not what you need. This is just statistics. What you need here is this particular monetization down below. So we'll click on it. Okay, now when we click on it, you're gonna see, if you are not eligible, you won't be seeing this monetization button. All right, but if you are eligible, you are going to be seeing that monetization button. So guys, I just set this not long ago, and again, some people will be asking, what are you going to be paid with? Yes, you are going to be paid with tone, and that tone will be transferred to your Telegram wallet. A lot of people don't know that Telegram is the owner of tone. So anything you are doing on Telegram, you know, monetization and the rest of that, they will be paying you on their own money, on their own coin. You can now send it out to any exchange, something like that. Then you can swap it with USDT and sell it over to P2P and get it as money if you like. So they pay you in tone, and I think one tone is up to, I think, from 7,000 to 9,000. Okay, and I think they have minimum you can withdraw. Just take a look at it over here. The minimum you can withdraw here is 10 tone. The first time you click on this monetization, it's going to bring out some option, you know, telling you that you're about to set your channel to become monetized. You keep on following the prompt until the last part of it, and your channel will become monetized. Okay, then this will start reading. People will now start placing adverts on your channel. All right, they will start placing adverts on your channel. Have you ever come to any channel, you will see something like Telegram ad, Or have you ever visited any particular channel for the first time and Telegram starts suggesting for you similar channels to that channel? And instead of you focusing on that channel, you start seeing similar channel and you start joining them. Have you ever been in this situation? All those channels are adverts. This is an advert placed on those channels or groups. And Telegram pays 50% of it to the person that have the channel. Let's say that the advertiser is paying $10. Telegram will pay you $5 out of it. And I think a tone is about $5.5. So 2 adverts on your channel can even reach you a 10 tone, depending. All right, so this is it. This is what a lot of people have been using to cash out on Telegram, and it's very, very lucrative, guys. What you just need to do is to open your Telegram account and get 1,000 subscribers. You see a lot of people getting 50,000 subscribers, 40,000 subscribers in no distant time, 13,000 subscribers, and they will be, be active, uploading a lot of things in that channel, and people will be watching it. Before you know it, you see an ad there. All those people are making their money, and you see their members growing up every day tremendously. You'll be wondering where they are coming from. Some channel in YouTube might have something like 10,000 subscribers, and in their channel, Telegram channel, you'll be seeing them have 300,000 subscribers. How do you think they do it? They get the channel, buy those subscribers, and keep buying. And speaking of buying subscribers, we can still use Telegram to get subscribers in our channel. I want you to click on this video now to find out how you are still going to use Telegram itself to get subscribers on your channel. Let's go, guys.